everybody. I will be showing just a little bit of an idea on how to turn a ship into a house. Yeah, I've been saying that it's a bit easy, but as you can tell, it wasn't really easy to do this, to turn a ship into a house in Minecraft. But I did it. I did it. So yeah, this is just an idea, a little bit of an idea. Ignore this thing in front of me, this little blown up boat. Yeah, you can pretty much do anything you want to turn into a ship into a house. Now, granted, it is not much of an interior space, but yeah, here's the front porch. This is the front porch. Yeah, and I do apologize for the lack of uploads. I do really apologize for the lack of uploads. Yeah, it's not very much of an interior, but it works. It works. Now, the process of turning a ship into a house in Minecraft is you build a boat first, then you start removing stuff from the boat, if you want to. So, yeah. I made a giant lantern the other day. Yeah, I'm kind of good at redstone. Not really that good, but oh well. Oh well. Here's a slime block piston door. Yeah, something's down right here. Oh yeah, I messed it up. Don't worry about it. So yeah, as you know, the 1.16 update is out with the nether. So, hope you enjoy that. I'm really enjoying that new update. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff in this world, as you know. Oh, and also went and redesigned a house from one of the Minecraft handbooks. You might not recognize it, but hey, I went and redesigned it. Hope you like it. Not much of an interior space, though. Yeah, I know I do a lot of stuff. I remember redesigning this house. I don't do interior much on my video channel, on this channel, because interior is how you choose to put it on your house. But hey, it's all about what you choose to do. Yes, and of course the place was rebuilt with an attic. See, little attic. Yeah. So yeah, yeah. So not really sure what you could do on the interior, but hey, it's whatever you want to. It's whatever you want to do on interior. Real quick, I might as well show you how to do something so that you can learn how to build like me. Well, not really. I mean, all it takes for you to build good in Minecraft is you try your best, and if you don't quite get it, well, you might only look up a few tutorials with me. It took me a while to learn how to build really good in Minecraft. Not that long. I'm sorry. I mean, here's I'm showing this in the last video. It's my idea for a ship to be put in the nether. I like it. Got some gold cannons. I mean, if they do have a ship in the nether, this is what kind of I think it would look like. I mean, it matches. Sort of. Not really. Some really cool fancy lights hanging off the back here. Like the sails a lot. So yeah, a lot of the stuff you see in this world is tests and models. I told this in the last video of this world. And if any of you are wondering, yes, I have been working on my mansion. Not really much. Oh, and if any of you are from the Hermitcraft server, you're probably gonna want this door. This is a really cool door. for your world, for your like base or something. See, you can't enter. You cannot enter. You can't enter. But I'm gonna turn the lever off. You see? Give it a minute. You cannot enter. This will work a lot faster for PC. But basically, what they say, this is a laser door. This is a laser door. Now you have to have it within this 2-block height, or otherwise it will not work. The redstone for this is really simple. If you want to, you can go look up a tutorial. I can't remember the redstone, but hey, in case you're wondering what some of this stuff is, this is the like. I mean, you have to watch my last video on this world. Yeah, I've been able to develop some of the new nether blocks. I've been able to develop a fireproof frame system for ships. I have not been able to get invent an explosion frame system, so. If you want this stuff over here, this is amphibious vehicles. You have to watch my video on the this previous video. Anyways, I might as well show you. Hold on, let me fix this rain real quick. And I'm gonna show you how I build my anchors for Minecraft. Relatively simple. Okay, I mean, I think you'll like it, but do not take credit for this design. I designed this anchor myself, so you must like you know, just just don't take credit. I designed this anchor. This is my design. Do not take credit for the design you're about to see. I designed it. Block here. Place here. Place here. Gotta get some wood blocks. I'm probably gonna spruce. I think spruce will look a lot better. Either way, you just see it. You might not like the way this anchor is designed, but I understand. Oh jeez. Here. Slab here. Slab here. And we're going to place one of these. And I'm going to get some of these. And there we go. It's a little anchor. No, I forgot these right here. And if you want to, you can put this on a ship in Minecraft, which I have made a smaller version. Which the smaller version is not my design. It is a the YouTuber magmamusum designed this smaller version. There we go. There we go. And he also designed this other one too. So this, and there we go. There we go. I mean, magmamusum designed these smaller versions. Don't take credit for these, or this one. This one I designed myself. Now you can use variants of other blocks, other walls and blocks to design different anchors. Which I think I actually have this somewhere in this world. Not sure where though. So yeah, anyways, I've been at beacon down there, random. Yeah, not a whole lot to talk about when I do these videos. Because of, time-wise, stuff like that. But let me see if I can try to find this anchor variant. Ignore this stuff here. Yeah, I know probably a lot of you on the Hermitcraft server. Oh, here they are. Here's some of the variants of anchors that you can make out of the blocks. You can make the common metal one. You can make a red anchor. You can make a blue anchor. You can make a gold anchor. Yeah, I know it's made out of certain stuff, but just gold walls in Minecraft. You can make a titanium anchor. You can make a rusted anchor. You can make a nice black anchor. You know, using some of the new blackstone blocks. And you can put these on your ships in Minecraft. Just make sure it fits and it's the right size. These are I was trying to make over here, trying to make some angled propeller blades, but I think I did a nice job. And let me tell you, some of you, I mean, if any of you from the Hermitcraft server are watching this, like, I generally would highly advise you to be careful when it comes to building a steamship because of, I mean, this one, it doesn't look that bad, that curve, but it's easy to mess up, so, yeah. Oh, and this right here is my new end ship design. I love it. I wonder if any of you Hermitcrafters or anybody likes it out there, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think of of any of my new ship ideas for the nether and the end? I like that other there. Little control system for the rudder. The dragon head on the yeah, the things we like in rods. Yeah, it's still got a few upgrade designs. I mean, granted, you got the thing in the back. It's right here. And then yes, it still contains the elytra. For any of you that are wondering. Yeah, you got some nice tall windows going on. It's loaded out with chest. So yeah, if any of you are wondering, let me know down in the comment section below. What do you think of my new end ship design? It's still short like the original. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, so if anyone with this guy right here, this is a cyborg skeleton right here. This is, if you're anyone wondering what this thing is, it's a cyborg skeleton. Cyborg Minecraft skeleton. Yeah, you pretty much probably know what the red blocks are. These red little blocks are. I mean, you probably know what they are in game, but just for your imagination on what it could actually really be. If any of you like this or don't like it, just let me know down in the comment section below. I like this little ball and little like ball thing I made for the joint right here. I love it. Got like a bunch of these. Anyways, I'm gonna thank you so much for watching and goodbye.